Mura is unevenness in an operation. Unevenness often can be eliminated by managers through level scheduling and careful attention to the pace of work. Mura is part of the foundation of Toyota production system, and we have seen the effect of unevenness or variability of workload in parade of trade simulation. But companies in the construction sector operate in a multi-project environment, with each project being variable and uncertain. This makes the ideal of leveled work world very difficult. This diagram is a representation of a company who currently has 5 live projects. These projects are managed within the individual business strategy of the company, which is deployed through the project teams into the day-to-day activities. There is also an interrelationship between the project themselves, as experiences are shared. There is a constant struggle to balance the workload of the projects trying to maximize resource utilization. If this is a trade company, then the day-to-day workload is often dictated by the actions of others and not under the company control. This illustrates the difficulty of a company has with load leveling. Now, if you think of a supply chain of a single project, it is made up from companies, each of whom have multiple projects. So commissioning a new project will immediately bring uncertainty because there are several subcontractors and suppliers involved. The uncertainty is increased because the new project cuts across each individual multi-project operation. In the prevailing system, companies are not able to really commit to individual projects as they are all unpredictable. So we can see that even a simple construction supply chain is highly complex and volatile, creating risks. One of the solutions to this is for commission clients with large and long-term demands for construction to try to provide a stable and steady pipeline of work. This has become common in the UK, where frameworks and longer-term contracts are being used in the public sector. The water sector in the UK have 5-year assessment management programs that provides a guaranteed stream of revenue over the 5 years. But of course, the UK public sector is only around 40% of total construction demand. So still the majority of construction work is designed and delivered in the volatile environment illustrated in this diagram. This means that trade contractors turn up and often find the job isn't ready for them, so they dump their stuff and go away again, increasing the chaos and uncertainty. The loss planner system was developed to reduce uncertainty and make planning more reliable on projects. And it is successful to the extent that those subcontract companies who have successfully used LPS previously will try to adopt some of the collaborative approaches, even under traditional approaches. And certainty is increased by screening and making ready the 8 flows. Leveling the load isn't just about increasing the confidence that the project parties can work as planned. It is also about deciding of how the work itself will be batched. This is illustrated in the Crown House technology system, where the flow of work and the flow of space are balanced around a 1-week beat or tact. Each construction zone in this figure is approximately 1,000 square meters, and it is the right size for a week's of work for most trades. So Mura is a very important part of achieving successful projects. It is also an underlying cause of much of the muda in the delivery process themselves. But load leveling is not yet a common feature of lean construction implementations, even though, as you can see, no substantial leap forward in productivity can be achieved without it.